Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have the equation h of t is equal to negative 16t squared plus 110t plus 72, where h is the feet, the height in feet of an object above the ground, and this is t seconds after being launched in the air. We're asked, what does the number 72 represent in this equation? So the way to think about this is, if you notice, the 72 is the only term here that doesn't have a t in it. So if you plug in 0, h of 0, this is equal to negative 16 times 0 squared plus 110 times 0 plus 72. This is equal to 0 plus 0 plus 72, which is just equal to 72. So h of 0 equals 72. What does this mean? Well, this is the height, h, when t equals 0, when the time equals 0, so 0 seconds after being launched in the air, height when the time equals 0 is 72 feet. So, trying to match this to one of our answers, what does the number 72 represent in the equation? 72 feet is the height of the object when the time is equal to 0, which we can think of as the initial height. So that means A is going to be your answer, right? The initial height means as it's being thrown. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.